We're back in Grow a Garden. As you can see, I'm broke. And there is, I know you can, as you can see, Grow a Garden is updating. And I'm currently broke right now. Can't plant all my fruits. My golden lab is a disappointment. Constantly giving me carrot seeds when I don't need them. I just don't know what to do about it. Honestly, I don't know what to do about it. 25 bamboo seeds. Collect. Yeah. The black hole even without someone else's garden. Admin group. Shade. Cocoa Bloodlake? How did I not realize that? Maybe I should get Celestial on it. My game is starting to lag. It's starting to lag. Me too, bro. I hope Roblox is still up by now. I hope Roblox is still up. I only have 1 million. I'm waiting for my fruits to get mutated. Waiting for my fruits to get mutated. What's this white one? Oh, it's golden with celestial shaft. Strange golden with celestial shaft. And of course, it has a bunny roaming around. What does the bunny even do? One more admin. Why, Jandel?
It's
Oh,
raining
wait!
tacos from out of the sky.
That's all the mother black
No
hole.
need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos.
Yeah, disco shop, disco bamboo, so up. Gonna be so OP.
Tacos. All you can
Just jumping on top of my bamboo, looking at my nightshade down here. I don't have enough money to buy a nightshade pack.
Cheese. Shell.
If all those coconuts are chopped, then why isn't mine chopped?
Cheese.
It's raining tacos. Raining tacos. Raining tacos. It's raining tacos.
What's the preloading? What's the... Oh wait, these are coconut. It's just gold. Just gold. Disco coconut. I just got one disco plant and that's a coconut. Oh, I also got a disco blueberry. And another disco blueberry. Got 2 disco blueberries. Oh. No other disco fruit. No other disco fruit. Bro, don't do a garden work. I hope the garden is still working. I hope Goa Garden is still I hope Roblox is still working. Oh, it's just its animation. 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30! Releasing the bees. Oh, this is what's the game called again? Guys, tell me the name of the game in the comment again. Bee Simulator or something? Bee Simulator or something. Bee Simulator or something. Well, the sound is loading for me. Sound is loading for me. Put the on it up here for a platform. And guys, by the way, for those who don't know that Rico Miller declined the offer from Big Games, just know that because Dusty Trip was one of Jandale's creations and the Big Games bought it and ruined it. And who's the Nate? Fish got ruined because of Big Games. Same with Blade Ball. That's what Big Games is causing. Big Games is causing games to die. Games are dying because of Big Games. Oh wait, that's why you check what's in here? 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, the game is Beast Swarm. Yeah, Beast Swarm. Where did the night even... This is the animation. Oh wait, I might have gotten a pet bee. I think I got a pet bee. You got stung in his butt. Bro got stung in his butt. Gosh. Be so evil. What was the animation moving for? No. He targeted my bloodlit Coco. He targeted my bloodlit Coco. So just got coconut. Oh, yeah. It's basically just all my good fruits. I guess I have to give them a bloodlit Coco. I still have a small one. To train honey. Collecting all pollinated fruit. That's a disco godly. Oh, pepper is pollinated. Blueberry pollinated. Wait, how much does this pollinate? Let me check the price of these. 61k. Okay, not bad. How much is this for? 36k. Oh, the pepper costs more. Still not that bad. How do you get honey? get honey. I want to know how to get honey. Well, I think it's just from the compressor. Yeah, it's definitely from the compressor you get honey. Where's the yellow? Pollinated shaft. This is what it looks like, guys. How much does it sell? How much is this worth? How much is this worth? Because it looks kind of like a golden. 822k. Okay, I'm definitely not giving that away. Coconut. Coconuts are getting pollinated on a dragon fruit is just too crazy, bro. It's just too crazy. It's filling up. This is what the update is like. Guys, I'm just keeping the vid. I'm continuing to record because I want you guys to see what the update is like. I want to see what the update is like though. Just waiting. If you're wondering why I don't talk that much, I'm just not that much of a talkative YouTuber. I don't talk that much as a YouTuber, and I don't really have that many words to say. Yeah. Of course, Chandel. One more. Run another one, Chandel. Run another one. Run another admin abuse. Run another one. Yeah. Black hole. Black hole for life. Black hole for life. Black hole for being. This is my favorite event for some reason. Moon melon? How much does it sell for? Let me see if this normal pollinated moon melon sells for a lot. 102k. Okay, I'll keep it. Another one. No, I'll just give as I was trying to say, I was saving up for the high fruit seed, pollinated beanstalk. That's a moonlit. That's a disco bloodlit apple. This form is finished. Look at the bee hiding in there. Look at him, just hiding. Nothing there. Just collecting my free stuff from my favorite coffee. The video in the meanwhile, because I want to show you what. Oh wait, how long till it resets? Because I'm not trading my dragon fruit. I can get the high fruit seed first. Where's my pollinated coconut? I swear if it's a pollinated golden. Hey, I have this pollinated moon melon. Wait, I got a pollinated bamboo. How much does this cost real quick? I have to determine whether... Wait! My beanstalk. She got a disco mushroom. Turn on to think about the control that. I'm gonna fill my inventory with just 2 random seeds, so I can just see my pollinated stuff. More bamboo seeds? Of course I'm buying them. Take my money. Getting strawberry and carrot. Wait. Guys, I'm watching something on my phone right now for when the player is not around. I was like, what was that in the background? That giant werewolf, Bigfoot? When I looked, Nikola Tesla just approached him. $10K? Doesn't do anything.
Update of the strongest battlegrounds just got released, and as we can see over here, we have Child Emperor's new ultimate, and Oro's first ultimate move is also here, and his base move set is already complete. Now to play the secret update, you have to say
Take these.
chat. Secret update, what is supposed to be?
Hmm? No problem, is it coconut?
This tree was cut down. It defied all of physics.
Hey, high food, see these are the vines?